Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Lili Nur Indasari. My name is 0321012. Today, my subject, Unit 7, the Internet. Love on the Internet. Caught between his traditional Muslim root and his California lifestyle, Tariq Ahmad found the perfect way to arrange his own marriage. He went online. Tariq is Silicon Valley computer expert, was born in London to a Pakistan father and an Australian mother, along with husband of other young people. Her families come from Southern Asia. He looked at the growing number of internet sites dedicated to finding a suitable husband or wife. As a designer of webpages, Tariq had little difficulty producing his own site. He admits that, like many of his friends from traditional background, he had to do something about his love life. Tariq said that his dad was very conservative and he just wanted me to marry a Muslim girl. She turned out to be Juliana Gitwani. CU's Tariq is advertisement on the internet and trend relationship began. They eventually got married near her home in Singapore. The wedding pictures, of course, were immediately posted on the web. Tariq thinks the internet is ideal because you have to use emails, and when you are talking in text, you are only getting a bit of information. He adds that emails can't show whether there is chemistry between two people. Luckily, after he and his wife spent time getting to know each other, they discovered that they did have chemistry. Kumar Kakumanu, a New York has Indian born in Hyderabad, has been in the United States for more than 10 years. Now he is looking for an Indian, which on the web he wants to find someone with a cosmopolitan outlook. Kumar thinks the internet works well even though you can't get all the information you need. He says with the internet it is possible to specifically target or broaden your search criteria. Traditional methods are just too slow. Sarah was born in India and is studying in the United States. She is another example of someone who thinks the internet is a good way to find a spouse after her friends' matchmaking attempts failed. She began her one scratch. She registered with an Indian account on the internet, and she had money restless. She looking for a possible husband. His doctor a real golden boy with a full of proposals from good families. When his friends have gone nuts trying to get him to pay, except speed and control are what is important on the internet. Websites and email allow people to cause the level of anonymity they which I keep in education on the internet. People searching for posts can do in day what on stock mounts exchange picture select the best candy text and checks age author's background. In translate, terperangkap di antara akar musim tradisional dan gaya hidup California, Tariq Ahmad menemukan cara sempurna untuk mengatur pernikahannya sendiri. Dia Tariq, seorang ahli komputer Silicon Valley, lahir di London dari ayah Pakistan dan ibu Australia. Bersama dengan ribuan anak muda lainnya dan keluarganya berasal dari Asia Selatan. Ia melihat semakin banyak situs internet yang didedikasikan untuk menentukan suami atau istri yang cocok. Sebagai seorang desainer halaman web, Tariq mengalami sedikit kesulitan dalam memproduksi situsnya sendiri. Ia mengakui bahwa setiap banyak teman dia latar belakang tradisional, dia harus melakukan sesuatu tentang kehidupan cintanya. Tariq mengatakan bahwa ayahnya sangat konservatif dan dia hanya ingin saya menikahi seorang gadis muslim. Dia ternyata Juliana Gitswani. Dia melihat iklan Tariq di internet dan hubungan mereka pun dimulai. Mereka akhirnya menikah di dekat rumahnya di Singapura. Foto-foto pernikahan tentu saja segera diposting di web. Tariq berpikir internet tidak ideal karena Anda harus menggunakan email, dan ketika Anda berbicara melalui teks, Anda hanya mendapat sedikit informasi. Dia menambahkan bahwa email tidak bisa menunjukkan apakah ada chemistry antara dua orang. Untungnya setelah dia dan pengantinnya menghabiskan waktu untuk saling mengenal, mereka menemukan bahwa mereka memang memiliki chemistry. Kumar Kakumanu, seorang India berbasis di New York yang lahir di Hyderabad, telah berada di Amerika Serikat selama lebih dari 10 tahun. Sekarang ia mencari istri India di web. Dia ingin menemukan seseorang dengan pandangan kosmopolitan. Kumar berpikir internet bekerja dengan baik meskipun Anda tidak bisa mendapatkan semua informasi yang Anda butuhkan. Dia berkata dengan internet dimungkinkan untuk secara khusus menargetkan atau memperluas kriteria pencarian Anda. Mode tradisional terlalu. Sarah lahir di India dan belajar di Amerika Serikat. Dia adalah contoh lain dari seseorang yang berpikir internet adalah cara yang baik untuk menemukan pasangan. Setelah upaya perjodohan orang tuanya gagal, dia mulai pencariannya sendiri. Dia mendaftar dengan agen India di internet dan dia mendapatkan banyak balasan. dan dengan cepat menemukan calon suami. Dia seorang dokter, anak emas sejati dengan banjir lamaran dari keluarga baik-baik, dan orang tuanya sudah gila karena berusaha membuatnya menerima. Kecepatan dan kontrol adalah hal yang penting di internet. Situs web dan email memungkinkan orang untuk melihat tingkat anonimitas yang ingin mereka pertahankan. Selain itu, di internet, orang yang mencari pasangan dapat melakukan dalam beberapa hari, yang biasanya menemukan waktu berbulan-bulan, bertukar foto, memilih kandidat terbaik, dan memeriksa latar belakang satu sama lain. Baik, sekian dari saya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.